Have you observed that some numbers appear in your trading more often than the others? If you haven't, don't worry, my friend. I hadn't had neither till I realized that what's the importance in trading? Hello, buongiorno, guten tag and marhaba, namaste, bonjour and selamat pagi. Good day to you, trader. This is Maria from Forex Other Way, the channel for traders run by a trader. In today's video, I'd like to share with you a continuation of my ideas related to numerology and trading. The story goes that W.D. Gunn was using numerology in his trading. I was very skeptical on it, to be honest, till I made some simple research. And I tell you something, the results are incredible. They are beyond any understanding. So, if you don't want to miss any important point, please stay with me to the end of this video, and let's start the rock and roll. I've got in front of me a table with dates starting from December 31st, 2019, over here, this is the starting point, and ending on February 2021 to the very bottom of here. Alright, so all colored rows marked with color, they show local tops or bottoms of the swings. So, but they are not for closing prices, they are for intraday prices, which means, let me show you the example I've got here. For example, where is my November? Over here. Here we go. November the 2nd, 2020. As you can see, the market made a low. The closing price was here. But 2 days later, on November the 4th, it was probably, I don't know what was there. It might have been the market makers cleaning up the stops. So the market continued its uptrend. So I marked this date as the bottom of the swing, as well as this date is the top of the swing, and so on, and so on, and starting from this date over here, which is 31st of December 2019. Let me show you the results. What they show, how can we analyze that? Well, if you watch my columns over here, I got it like that. So the first column in number of days from the starting point. So here we got Tuesday 31st December, so 1st January, Wednesday was 1 day, 2, and so on. So altogether, it's been marked 425 days. So the first column. The second column is the numerologic number from this column. So I converted the number of days which passed from the starting point in numerology. Instead of 9, I've got 0 over here, because here is the formula module of A11, which is this one, and to 9. So it shows 0, it means 9 is equal to 9, as you know, in numerology is the same story. 0 and 9 is the same thing. 9, divine number, alpha and omega. Alright, so here we got the date, and here we've got the date written in different formats, starting with the year, with the month, and the day. So as you observe here, we got 20th, so that's the year, 2020, 01, and the day is written as 1 in this case. So every month I will repeat this issue. I'm not going to explain why I did it. It works. Just have to take it on granted. And from 10th we got already a longer number. So what's happening here? We've got the next column. So here is the mode function based on the date. So this function says that the mode of this column to 360 cycle will give us a number. So as you see, they're going 1, 2, 3, 4 on. And when the date of 10 is coming, it's adding another whatever. So we got, instead of 60, we got 150. It's adding 90 degree. So it's going like that, and that's the second column. And the last column here is the numerological reference to the angle. Okay, and here we got whether the market point was top or bottom, T and B. So that's the general meaning of this table. Now let's filter it. And here we've got filter table already. I marked tops and bottoms only. The lines which are without any importance just are omitted. So what's happening here? As statistically, since 31st December 2019 till today, which is 23rd of January, we had 44 extreme point swings, which is 22 highs and 22 lows. They are splitted harmoniously. Some of them were more important, some of them were less important. But anyway, we had 44 tops or bottoms. Next, alright. From the numerological point of view, as the number of days we can observe here, we'll analyze it later. What's important from the point of view of the angle? Most of the cases happened between the angles 91 degree and 270 degree, I think. That was most of these numbers occur. But what I wanted to show you, I'd like to show you the numerological aspects of it. So when you go through the numbers from 1 to 9, I will show you what is interesting here. So let's start from 0, which is equal. Let's start from 9, alright? So we go 9, 1, 2, 3, up to 8. Okay, so we got only 2 tops, which numerologically, as the angle had the value of 9, and that was 31st of January 2020 and 6th of August 2020. So not much. What we can see over here is the important thing. Look, the difference between these two values, let me show you, is 171 minus 126 makes 45 degree. So that's really interesting. They are the same both at number 9. Alright, so let's go to the number 1 this time. Let's do it this way. Number 1, we got 3 tops and 3 bottoms. Numerologically, all these angles, when you add up the numbers, they give you numerological 1. What is very fine here, which I would like to tell you, is that here we got 271 degree, here we got 91 degree, here we got 181 degree. It is really strange, but when you analyze it, let me show you. When from 271 degree we subtract 91, it will give us 180. Alright, again, if from 271 we subtract 181, we get 90 degree. It's really weird, and they are all number 1 over here on this calculation, on this statistics. So let's go to number 2, and the story is similar. Look over here. We got numbers 2. So the sum of the angle of the date, made of the date, they are more or less similar, alright? We got 245, 335, we got some numbers here. At the moment, let's say they are not important, but more regularities we'll see on other numbers. Alright, here we go. Look over here, 111, 201. This is 90 degree between these two lines. And we've got 156 and 366. Let's make a calculation. 336 less 156. Does it give us anything? 180 degree again. So this is angular opposition. They give exactly the same numerological number. All right, let's go to the number 4. Number 4 is we got only 2 dates, top and bottom. The top of 13th of May 2020 and the bottom of 9 September 2020. These numbers are exactly the same from the numerological point of view, and this is probably the reason why there was a top and bottom over here. So you see 193, 139. They are similar, at least from numerological point of view. Let's go to number 5. Number 5 we've got here. There's only few of them, and as you see, this is 5, but the next one is the most important, I think. The number 6. Look here. Look how many of them are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's not a random number, this number 6, for the simple reason that number 6 appeared twice the number of the other numerological numbers. So on average we got 44, I remind you, we got 44 dates and we got 10 numbers. So it shows, let's divide it, let's see what the percentage is. 10 divided by 44, it gives us 22 and 7%. It's doubled over the average, so it's very weird, very strange. One more thing, I would like to show you this one, 150 and 105. From the numerological point of view, is the same number, okay, as well as here, 123, 132. Again, the same number, okay. Over here, 51, 141. You reckon it's 90 degree between them, and so on. That was number 6. Number 7, if you watch the number 7, over here, what we've got is even same story, 169 and 79, or 90 degree or 270 degree, because 169 plus 270 gives us 439, which is 79 degree, yeah? So from this bottom, 270 degree later as an issue of date, because this angle, I remind you again, comes from this date. It gives the turning point. So after this bottom appeared this top, from bottom from Wednesday, January 20th, appeared the top on Monday, 9 March 20th, 2020, yeah? So here is the situation. And they are all 7s, obviously, look, 2 and 7, 2 and 7, 2 and 7. This number is numerologically calculated result of this one. So 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 6 is 11, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 and 7 is a moon number. You can check it yourself somewhere, alright? So that was number 7. When you see 797, again, we've got 90 degree over here between these 2 dates. So between 27th March and 7th May, he was the top of the market, he was the bottom of the market, 97 degrees. And that was 7. Let's go last but not least, number 8. we've got here, and we've got 3 angles only, so it's much less than an average. I encourage you to convert dates into angles. It gives you really interesting, it will give you really interesting results. I hope it will help your trading, to help you to make better trading decisions. At the moment, that's it from me. Thanks very much for watching. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.